This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a CN freight coming through at the Dorval ramps at a high location. I like to be up here looking down because if there's a second train coming, you're in a good position to see it. It's December 24th today, and you would never know it. Merry Christmas, everyone. Really couldn't beat the timing either. I just got off the commuter train, walked up here, and literally as soon as I got here, this train came. Illinois Central, looks like it. So it's minus 2 degrees, sun, the snow is melted. Easy to get back here now. Great place to watch trains. And those Government of Canada hopper cars, they should be getting scarce in the next few years. We got some brand new ones. Yeah, you really can't beat this location. Here's the last car. So if you like what you just saw, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.